I'm Ayanah, and I'm at the One Mighty Mill Test Bakery and Mill to test Chef Tony's chef expertise. I brought in 5 different leftovers pulled straight from my fridge at home to see if Tony can make a delicious sandwich with an array of seemingly disjointed ingredients. Tony has 30 minutes to create an ultimate sandwich recipe using all 5 of these mystery ingredients. Following 30 minutes, I'll come back and be the judge. We will rank him on 1, presentation, 2, taste, and 3, creativity. Let's bring in Chef Tony.
All right, so 5 ingredients. I'm gonna open this box. I don't have a box cutter. All right, so 5 ingredients. All right, so this looks like it's a Teddy peanut butter can, but it looks like these are pickled onions, which I know Ayanah always has. All right, an orange. Okay, half an orange, not even a full orange. It looks good. Ginger, like sushi ginger. I'm not a big ginger fan, but we're already kind of skewing Asian. Vegan oyster sauce, and like this is like 1 tablespoon of oyster flavored sauce. So we definitely were picking up the dregs of the fridge. And finally, these look like peppadew peppers, but they're just roasted red peppers. So we're kind of skewing Asian right here. And I'm thinking of some kind of aioli. So I'm thinking there's some kind of like sesame kind of dressing or aioli that might be happening with this. Pickled red onions, you're gonna wanna leave them as is, but that's gonna provide some crunch and color. Roasted red pepper, that's gonna be interesting. And orange, which I'm probably leaning towards using these 3 as sort of a sauce. The question then is what's gonna be the composition? And I don't know, I think I might wanna riff on a sandwich. Maybe something that's kind of open face and kind of brushed, and maybe with some vegetables. So stay tuned, I think I got an idea. I think I wanna do like an Asian salad on top of like an open face. But instead of being boring, I think it might be cool with like cinnamon raisin bagels, like so that they're kind of really glazed and crunchy. I think that would be cool. And then just like, I kind of want to use arugula, which would be boring, but these will be spaced out enough. And I've got some mushrooms here. I think I want to use our cinnamon raisin bagels. I want to griddle them so that they're super crunchy. Maybe hit them with like a little bit of olive oil and sesame oil. Then I want to make kind of this like composed open face salad on top of those crunchy cinnamon raisin base. So I think I'm gonna make a dressing with maybe a little bit of mayo, some rice wine vinegar, and some seeds with these 3. I think we'll do strips of this because it'll look really pretty. I'm at our test bakery. We don't have that many ingredients, but I've got some arugula, and I was thinking about a little salad with those 2. This, the pickled red onions kind of interspersed, nice color. Drizzle it with the dressing, some everything seeds on top, a beautiful open face sandwich. And I'm gonna add some mushrooms in there too, because mushrooms are great. Ready? I have not much doing in the test bakery. I got some soy, I got some tahini. I'm gonna make a dressing, this kind of like beautiful Asian dressing, but I wanna caramelize some mushrooms as well. They won't be caramelized, they'll be browned. Ayanah gave me this challenge, and she eats healthy, and she's a vegan, so I wanna make something that Ayanah can enjoy, and that proves that I can make a sandwich in 5 minutes with anything. All right. I'm gonna let these toast for 2 minutes, let's say. In the meantime, I'm gonna be back in a flash because I'm gonna start prepping a salad. Just to prove, I'm gonna be flipping these mushrooms with a bread knife. You can see we're getting good color. And you do burn your fingers with the bread knife. We should be getting nice color on this. Look at that. You can see it sizzling from the oil. We tight on that bagel. So this is going to be like a non-traditional base. We got good color, and those flavors of the raisins are going to work with all these other Asian pairings. It's about a 2-minute cook time, and I say that we're done. Just with the bake. We're not done in total. I've got our base ready. One last thing. I want to add a little bit of that vegan, the vegan oyster sauce so that we get really nice caramelized mushrooms, because that's going to be the star right here. All right, it's done. All right, now I got to blend. So I'm going to go set up my blender, working with stoppage time, because it's going to take me a minute to go get the blender, so hang tight.
There is no stoppage time.
There is stoppage time. Matt, ask Matt. Time check, please.
Time check. We have 4 minutes left.
That's not true. That's crazy. Like,
4:03.
I want new judges.
I just want to say one thing. I originally wanted to give Chef Tony an hour to fully show your chef expertise.
On the cooking
Tony
show-
said a half an hour would be enough. We have
No.
4 minutes left. That's all I gotta say.
No, but in the cooking shows, they don't have to wash their own blender like I just did.
They do.
They don't go downstairs and take 10 minutes looking for a griddle. They just grab the thing and they go. You know what they do?
What?
They elbow the other contestants, though.
Yeah, you gotta fight.
No, so I would have done.
No, on the
I
cooking
would
shows,
do
they
that.
are, it's a free for all. You gotta run and get your ingredients.
Right, and the ingredients are ready. All right. I'm going to use tahini. So I've already caramelized our bagel base. This shouldn't be here. Sauteed the mushrooms, caramelized that bagel base. Now I want to make this dressing for the salad. So I've got some tahini. As everybody knows, tahini is sesame. So this is going to be a dressing that has sesame. It's going to have some orange. So I'm going to use both the juice, nice citrus acid that will cut that, and I'm also going to use some zest, offer up some nice flavor. I've got Ayanah's 10-year-old pickled ginger. I'm going to add a couple of those pickled onions. Literally, I added 1 tablespoon. This is what I get for mystery ingredients, is a tablespoon. These were not mystery ingredients. This was cleaning out the fridge, is what we just did. Add a touch of oil. It's kind of like a pretty looking vinaigrette that's going to be really nicely intense. I'm going to go grab some greens and I'm going to form my salad. Stay tuned. 30 minutes. Oh, we are 6 minutes in. I've made an incredible base with our cinnamon raisin bagel. Caramelized mushrooms with a little bit of Ayanah's oyster sauce. Made a spectacular sesame ginger orange dressing. It's time, it's go time. It's time to make this all work. So I'm gonna make these a base right here. I'm gonna add my dressing. I'm adding this luscious sesame ginger orange vinaigrette. The pickled onions. I've got these red peppers. I'm going to use a bread knife because I want to do this in 4 minutes. So really pretty colors. These mushrooms are kind of the piece de resistance. I'm glad I spent a lot of time trying to compose that arugula, so it just fall right apart. I'm eating this, so I'm going to continue to use my hands. Maybe Ayanah will. Gorgeous composition. I'm going to go with a little more dressing. And I know that Ayanah likes everything seeds. So we're going to hit it with those black sesame, onion, garlic. So this is kind of like an Asian-inspired Ayanah old refrigerator mise en place, caramelized cinnamon raisin, mighty bagel. Perfect little lunch, a dinner, as long as you're alone and you won't feel ashamed of it. I think this is good dining.
Hello, Tony.
Hi, Ayanah.
I am here to judge your work. What did you create today?
I call this Ayanah's Asian fridge salad.
Perfect. Okay, so first I will give you a
And just to review, it took me 5 minutes to make this, and it was
No.
7.
No.
We're gonna review with the judges later.
I'm the judge.
We're the judge.
Okay, so first
Yeah.
thing that I'm grading you on is presentation.
Okay.
To be honest with the viewers at home, Tony, put his hands up. He was done. And then he realized I was going to grade him on presentation, so he came back over and added some more touches. But this is the first time we've done this. I'll give it to you.
First time we've done this. First time you've done this. So, I mean, I think we want to really encourage competitors to be the best they can be.
We do.
We do.
And look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the height of the salad.
Okay.
I love the touch of the seeds, different colors.
But all that really matters
different
is going to be how it eats, right?
Well, presentation, I would give you, I'm going to rank you out of 10 for each one. Presentation, I would give you a 9 out of 10.
That's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then next, I'll go into creativity and then we'll do taste. Creativity, you used all the ingredients, so that's great. All 5 ingredients.
Time out.
Yeah.
And those are some funky ingredients.
They were pretty funky.
And
the
not
fact that
like-
you could use a ginger.
And these are things that
10-year-old ginger. Just kidding. It's not
No,
10
but
years
they've
old.
been aging in your
They have,
fridge.
yeah.
Okay.
This was really just like a practice of me cleaning out my fridge.
Yeah. You didn't give me caviar or like truffles.
Maybe next time.
Or like this perfect arboreal rice. But so,
Yeah.
okay.
Creativity. I'm really interested that you chose cinnamon raisin bagel.
It works well. It kind of can dress up. Cinnamon raisin, you can put a jacket, tie on it, and go out on the town. Cinnamon raisin will dress up. Cinnamon raisin wants to party.
So you did some sautéing of mushrooms.
Yes.
You made a sauce.
Yes.
You made a salad.
Yeah, I wanted to
You
only
caramelized
work.
the bagel.
I only added a couple of ingredients that I had sitting around, so I didn't get cute.
For creativity, I would give you an 8. I was still really high score.
Like, what did you want? Do you want me
I
to
don't
drop
know,
in from the rafters? Like,
I feel like there's nothing that was a little like super crazy creative.
okay,
So I'll give you an 8.
okay.
Taste. Here we go. Let's taste it together.
All right, but can we be honest? All that really matters is how it tastes.
Definitely. Taste
Okay.
should be ranked like 3 times the other 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ready? You
Yeah.
have to taste it with me. Let's taste that at
I'll
the
let
same
you
time.
taste it first
Okay.
because you've already been this really hard grader.
Well, is this a good bite?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch you.
I'm gonna put a mushroom on it.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
get a
take
mushroom
this
on
bite.
it.
I forgot about the pickled
Well, no,
onions.
you know what? You gotta go more mushroom.
Oh wait, I'm supposed to cut it? Is that what you want me to
No,
do?
just go. One more mushroom. All right, there you go.
Where should I bite? Here?
Yeah, get some mushroom in there. Do you feel like you've been too hard on the composition? And like, because this is all that matters.
Good.
You got a one mighty meal bagel.
I'm being serious. I'm not trying to
So this is
save
real.
your feelings. This isn't
No,
very
because
real.
you already like demolished me.
I'm going
on
a second
time.
bite.
You demolished
Well,
me on
you
time.
did go way over time.
I didn't. Demolished me on time. You demolished me on. What was the second thing?
Creativity.
Yeah, creativity. Oh.
That's
Like-
really good.
We're gonna
I'll
do
give you
this
a 10.
again, and the next time we do it, I'm gonna have electronic equipment plugged in. We're not gonna be running around. We're gonna set a real timer, And we're going to see if Ayanah can get stuff that was produced 2010 and beyond.
Okay, back to the rating. I'll give you a 10 out of 10 for taste. Tony did a great job. Do you want to taste it yourself?
No, because all that
Why?
matters is what she thinks.
Okay.
No, but I'm gonna have a little.
Yeah, have a little bite. Just a mushroom. The dressing's really flavorful.
You're like surprised.
I'm impressed. I should be. Wow.
So I got grief for like however long it took to make this, and the very last 10 seconds, she expressed surprise and appreciation.
Thank you, Tony, for
thank
your
you,
hard
Ayanah.
work. I think that this proves that you are the best chef in America.
I'm the best
if
chef.
not the world.
Working with One Mighty Mill Stone Mill products. That's me.
All right, bye guys.
See you next time.